Here we are at Rimel Beach, just outside Bizerte. That's a lot of sand. What a fantastic spot. And mainly empty. But the reason I've actually come here is because of the shipwrecks that are sat just on the coast. Let's see if we can see them. We've got crystal clear waters here on the beach, and just over there, I don't know if you can see, the first of two shipwrecks that have been washed up. I'll see if we can get a bit closer once we have the drone. Here we are in Bizerte. We're up on top of the fortress, and look at these views that you get out over the city. Here we are on the Medina. Look at the port. And then that's where we just were, over in the amphitheatre. Onwards. Now I'm getting lost wandering around the Medina, trying to find all the different dars around here. I'm bumping into a lot of these cats. Bit of a mangy specimen. Yeah, this is pretty hard to get around. I need to map this out quite carefully. This is the Phoenician restaurant for those who want to eat while sitting on a fake boat. Fantastic. They do a good line in these things down in Jerba actually. Lots of fake boats to eat on, but there we go. Le Phénicien.